I forgot to do an introduction to the video. So yes, here I am, going to Great Yarmouth Wheels Festival 2024. It's sort of going to be like a montage vlog where I'm just going to try and just film as many small clips as I can, and then just try and edit it into a small vlog. I'm going to try and make the vlog as short as I can this year, and we're going to go see many different cars and bikes and see what's new. So yeah, come and join me as we head to the Wheels Festival. yeah, so I've just been to the Great Yarmouth Wheels Festival. It's always nice going back, seeing all the different cars and bikes and other show vehicles and that all around the place. I was a little bit disappointed this year because there wasn't as many cars as you normally expect on the Seafront, because what I actually did notice is that normally outside Britannia Pier there's loads and loads of cars just standing there for you to look at, but they weren't there this year, so that's a little bit of a disappointment. And one of my other favourite things that I really like about the festival, I've actually been seeing it for the past few years, and it was the monster truck. And unfortunately that wasn't there this year either, which was a little bit of a letdown, because I normally like to film it. It's really good, you can literally watch the cars being crushed and that, and then just seeing everyone have a really good time. And of course the weather's not been so great either this year, but yeah, it's been all right. It's not been the best in the years, but let's just hope next year's going to be even bigger and better than ever. But yeah, it was all right. But there is actually going to be another event which is going to be taking place very soon, and I think it's called Fun on the Beach, and I think it's mainly to do with hot rods. So there's going to be lots of old hot rod cars there as well, you know, lots of other retro ones as well. So that's something I'm actually looking forward to in the next couple of weeks. I think it's actually in the middle of July, I think it is, but yeah, I'll do a vlog from there. But thank you very much for watching this small vlog from the Great Yarmouth Wheels Festival 2024, and I'll be back doing another one again hopefully next year. But for now, keep on filming and keep on editing. Oh, I've got to get home, it's starting to drizzle with rain. Bye for now.